How to make a poster in Canva. I'm going to show you each and everything here from basic to advanced. So here you can see you have to just go to Google, look for Canva and the website will come up here. Click on it and this is how it will look. If you are using Canva for the first time, then you have to log in. You can use a Google account here. Now here there's a lot of option, right? Whiteboard, presentation, social media and everything, but we are not able to see any option for poster. So I'll just go and click more and here you can find your option poster, right? And you will get one of this option here. Right, now here you can choose which size you want to make, right? By the way, if you're confused about this, don't worry, because here you can just go and click on choose a custom new size. You can add your size here and it will open up. But if you need some preset, right? So you have to go to the top search bar and look for poster and hit the enter bar. Now here you will see like these are the preset, right? But I want the free one. So to use the free one, you need to just filter out. So for example, that if you see this crown icon, it means that this is a pro. So you have to purchase this pro version, then only able to use it. But let's say this is a free one, right? There's a so many preset which is completely free. I like this one. So I can just go and click on this, right? And this is mockup which will show up, right? And this is original how it's look. We can just go and change the size. For example, I want in A3, right? And how many posters? I want only one posters and click on customize this template. If you like this template really good, you can just start this so you will get an idea. If you scroll a little bit down, you will see a lot more. For example, this space poster look really nice. So I can just go and click on customize this template. Now here this is. Now let's say I want completely a white space, right? I don't want anything here. I've already shown you an option, but you can just go and click on create blank. So it will give you a completely a blank poster page. Right, now here you saw that we have got this option of only, a portrait, but I want a landscape, right? So I can just go back here and here I can search for poster landscape. I can search for it. Right now here you can see it and you will get a lot of options for a different kind of posters too. Right now everything is same, but let's say I just want to go with this one, right? And I can zoom this here. Let's say I just this one, right? And these are these images. For example, right click on it and click on detach image from background. So as you can see here, this was an image and this is a right, it has got removed, but this the image only got removed, right? So I can just go to upload section and here and I can see I can upload my own image. Although this looks really good, but let's say I want an image from Google. So let's say I like this one, or let's say this one, right? So here, okay, so we can't use this one. I think we can use this one here. Now let's say I want this image on my poster. I will click and hold and drag it and put it here in my upload section. Same way you can do it here, right? And it will start uploading here. Now I can just go, let's say I want to delete this. I will just click on this dustbin icon, it will get deleted. Select this image. I want this image to the background, right? But let's say, but first of all I want to put this as a black, because this will make a little bit of impact on my image when I reduce the opacity, right? So let's say right click on it, click on replace background. Now it has got replaced the background. Now let's say that your image is very bright, or you want to select this image, so double click on it and you can adjust your image however you want. So I like this part here. Right now I want to put a little bit of transparency, right? A fade like this, but this fade will apply on all over the image. I want on this side, so I can just go to the element section and look for fade. Right now in the element section we can just get a lot of stuff here. Right now these are almost the paid ones, so let's go and click on more and here we have got some of them. So I will just rotate this part here, right? I'll just make it bigger, right? And I can put it, I want this much of intensity, so I'll put it like this. Now this is how it look. Now we can add the text here. For example, let me just zoom it, this part here, this text color is not appropriate, so I will just go and choose a white one, right? And this is how we can add. So right, same goes for this one. So let me select all the text at once, so I can just do it like this, right? Click and hold and all text has been selected. I go to this space and click on white. Now everything will be in the white. Although it's not looking good, but I hope you understood how you can customize this everything here. Now go to the element section, clear the fade option here, right? And you want some kind of frames, right? For example, I want to add an image or data or something here. We can add it. We have a lot of options, 3D graphics, right? So let's say I'll just go and click on see all, and we have a lot of option here. Now let's say that we have customized this every here. It is done, right? The more time you spend on Canva, the more you learn about this. This is a rename part here. So I will just write here, wedding poster one, right? This is editing. So if you just go and click on here, uh, for example, if you're working on team, then you can give them access, for example, whether it's commenting, viewing, and how you can give it. So just go to the share. Now only you can access, or anyone with the link, right? Or you can add your team from here, the email address or something. Right, now this is a file here. You can, change the settings and everything. For example, you want to create a new design, upload files here, or save it, move it to the folder, and there's a lot of options, right? And here on the, for example, let's say it's done, so I'll just go and click on share, click on download. It's already selected. If you have the pro version, then you can increase the size here, right? And you can even get a good quality, right? But this quality is fine for me. I will just go and click on download. It will start downloading here, right? Or by default it is png. Now once it get downloaded, I will just open it up, and this is how it's look, right? So this is really easy thing to do. Thanks for watching this video.